Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the console is fully updated and powered off. This avoids formatting surprises. Next, pick a compatible NVMe M.2 SSD. Series S needs a supported external expansion card or USB-C external drive. I'll focus on internal M.2 compatibility and external USB options. Once done, ground yourself and get Torx T8 and a plastic pry tool ready. Plug in a USB drive for quick game transfers. Now remove the outer shell carefully. You mount the SSD into the adapter or bracket and secure it in the bay, making sure connectors align. This prevents data errors. Once physically installed, boot the console and go to Settings System Storage to detect and format the new drive. Formatting prepares the file system the Xbox requires. After formatting, move or designate the drive for new game installs. If you have many titles, use a USB drive or network transfer. This speeds migration and keeps your library intact. You finish by confirming the SSD appears in storage and optionally set it as your default install location so new games land where you want them. Run a game to validate load times and stability. If performance seems off, check and update the SSD firmware on a PC and reformat on the Xbox. If the drive is not recognized, reseat the connector, verify the adapter matches Xbox form factors, and retry formatting. As one troubleshooting tip, reseating and a fresh format resolve most detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.